Welcome to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm just going to do a simple push stick. I made this one back along, and I really like the angle of it. It's nice and comfortable when you're pushing through the wood. And the rest of this is just design. Obviously, you have the straight edge here, a little tail here to push your wood through, and a comfortable handle. Edges are sharp and stuff, but you know what? It's the angle. I don't like the push sticks that some people use when you're pushing through like this. You have that option. I do have push block, which I like, but I really like this. And what I did, just a little feature here. I don't know if anybody else has done this, but this little notch right here is actually angled back slightly, so this corner grabs the wood. Because I don't want it sliding up off the wood. So if it was angled back, it would want to pull up off as you went. So, with that said, I'm just going to draw this out. Now, this is just some scrap MDF. It's much thinner, but I thought I'd use it up that way and see how it works out. And draw this out and see how we do. And this part here, you can change this to any angle you want. I left it big enough so it was strong enough so it wouldn't break. The rest of this really doesn't matter. So that's the rough design of it right there. So this is actually the first time I've used my bandsaw since I've come out here. So let's see how this all works. So as you can see, I do not have my dust collection set up over here yet, but they have it, So I'm going to go ahead and just rip off this board here. It's just a piece of scrap. It's got a little crack start in it, so just rip this and we'll, this is the old one, and we'll just try out the new one. And as you can see too, I cut a slightly different shape, because really this part does not matter. So I'm going to use the saw, so wear your ear protection and your eye protection. And let's go ahead and turn the dust on. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with that. It's a bit thin, but again, it's just scrap. I do like the thicker, you get a better grip. So it is a bit thin, but you know what? you're going to end up cutting this notch all up anyways as you're running it through. And you'll end up tossing it into the burn pile. You know, I burn it in my wood stove or fireplace or something. So there's a very simple push stick you can make to keep your hands away from the saw. So this is kind of a little safety tip video. Anyways, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. And please like, subscribe, and come back often for new videos. Thanks again.